Extras. How raw camel wool begins its remarkable journey deep in an industrial zone, and how before reaching the factory, these animals produce one of nature's most extraordinary insulating materials, protecting them from scorching desert heat and freezing nighttime temperatures.
Easy now, big fella. Just a little longer. You're doing great.
Every part of the camel produces different quality wool, and separating these grades requires an expert eye and years of experience. Before any industrial processing begins, the wool must undergo a primary wash to remove the most obvious impurities, sand, dust, and natural oils. Once dried, the wool is compressed into dense bales, a form allowing efficient transportation and storage before the more sophisticated factory processes. Each bale represents hundreds of hours of careful animal husbandry and manual labor, now beginning their journey toward the main processing facility. This is more than just transportation. It is the movement of potential, carrying the promise of future luxury products to the place where that promise will be realized. For the workers at Modern Factory Hub, this arrival represents the beginning of their responsibility to transform ordinary desert fiber into something extraordinary. Every batch receives a thorough inspection before entering the processing line, a quality control step ensuring only the finest material proceeds.
Camel wool is never uniform. Some fibers are fine and soft, suitable for luxury garments.
The finest camel wool, taken from the animal's neck and underbelly, is among the softest natural fibers in the world. Even after farm washing, the wool contains natural oils and remaining impurities that must be removed before it can be spun into yarn. The washing process is more than cleaning, it's purification, removing everything that would compromise the quality of the final product. Drying is critical. Too much heat damages the fibers, too little creates mold risk. The equipment maintains precise temperature control. Carding transforms the wool from loose, chaotic fibers into a smooth, continuous web, the first step toward creating consistent yarn. After carding, the wool has lost its rough, dusty character and begun to resemble the material most people would recognize as fabric-ready fiber. Combing is the final purification step, removing any remaining short fibers, leaving only the longest, finest, most valuable strands for premium applications. At this stage, the wool has been transformed from desert collection to premium material. Soft, clean, and ready for spinning, the process turning prepared fibers into usable yarn is where material becomes product and where the quality of everything that follows begins.
The finished yarn retains the natural colors of the original wool, creamy whites, warm browns, and every
Before use in premium garment production, it must pass rigorous quality tests. Electronic strength testers pull fibers until they break. While many luxury products favor the natural colors of camel wool, some designers choose to. The dyeing process is complete when the yarn achieves its precise color, and any residual chemicals are thoroughly removed.
The yarn is now ready for its most significant transformation, becoming fabric.
Workers organize in the weaving department. Raw potential becomes physical fabric, the actual material that will become luxury jackets.
Camel wool fabric requires precise tension and threading. Too tight and the fabric becomes stiff, too loose and it loses its luxurious drape. Before finishing, every meter of fabric is inspected for defects, a quality control step ensuring only perfect material proceeds. Finishing is the final transformation. It stabilizes the fabric, enhances its properties, and ensures it will maintain its shape and appearance through. Now the fabric has reached its final form, soft, durable, and possessing the distinctive qualities that make camel wool so valuable in luxury fashion. With fabric complete, the process moves to garment construction, where the final product begins to take shape. Each jacket consists of dozens of precise pieces, left front, right front, sleeves, collars, pockets, each cut to exact specifications. The sewing department is where the jacket truly comes together. Skilled craftspeople transform fabric pieces into finished garments. Every stitch must be perfect, especially in visible areas, where quality is immediately apparent to discerning customers.
The narrator continues, describing how as each element is added, the jacket becomes more recognizable. The shape and
details like pockets require extraordinary skill. They must be positioned precisely, sewn securely, and lie completely flat against the jacket body. Before packaging, every jacket undergoes complete inspection. Every seam, every detail, every aspect examined for perfection. Final inspection requires checking every functional element, zippers, buttons, and lining attachment against rigorous quality standards. Packaging is the final step before the jackets leave the factory. Each one must be presented in a manner befitting its luxury positioning. Even the packaging reflects the quality of the product. Luxurious presentation that acknowledges the jacket's position in the premium fashion market. From packaging, jackets move into the warehouse, temporarily stored before their journey to customers around the world. Warehouse management ensures every jacket is tracked, protected, and available when orders arrive. With shipping, the jackets leave Modern Factory Hub, embarking on their journey to customers who have waited for their luxury purchase. Each jacket travels thousands of miles to reach its customer, protected, tracked, and delivered with the same care taken throughout its production.
The final journey begins. Trucks carrying the culmination of extraordinary industrial and human effort.
At their final destination, the jackets arrive in luxury boutiques, where they are presented to customers who value their exceptional quality.
In the showroom, the jackets are seen and appreciated by their final customers, the culmination of every step of the production journey.
For the customer, the jacket represents more than just clothing. It's the result of extraordinary effort, exceptional materials, and skilled craftsmanship.
Beyond individual customers, these jackets appear in editorial content, featured in prestigious fashion magazines and influential social media platforms.
You guys, the softness of this camel wool is unreal. It's so warm and the tailoring is perfect. Look at this, Modern Factory Hub.
On the catwalk, camel wool jackets are presented as pinnacle fashion pieces, designed, styled, and presented for the world's most discerning fashion audience. Industry professionals evaluate the garments closely, assessing their market potential.
The quality is outstanding. We need to place a significant order for the denim.
Online, the jackets reach their widest audience, featured on premium e-commerce platforms that connect the factory directly to customers.
For online customers, the unboxing experience provides the first physical connection to their purchase, a moment of discovery and appreciation. In daily life, the jackets become part of their owners' identities, functional, comfortable, and always representing quality.
Premium products often become conversation pieces, shared with friends and appreciated in social contexts.
Premium products require proper care, a small commitment that protects the investment and extends the garment's life for years. Increasingly, customers value sustainability, understanding the environmental and ethical commitments behind their luxury purchases.
Premium quality reveals itself over time. Jackets from Modern Factory Hub maintain their appearance, shape, and comfort for years.
Valued by different owners for their enduring style. Feel the lining on that. It'll last you decades.
It's beautiful, thank you.
Some jackets enter the vintage market, where their age and quality are appreciated by discerning collectors. Collectors value the original quality, the construction details, the fabric's condition, and the design's timelessness.
Luxury products often receive professional care throughout their lives, restoration services that extend their useful life significantly. See the distinct fiber structure here. Scientific analysis confirms what users experience. Camel wool possesses extraordinary properties that make it exceptional for luxury garments. Microscopic examination reveals camel wool's hollow structure, fibers with internal chambers that trap air for exceptional warmth without excessive weight. Our testing confirms the material's exceptional properties, providing scientific validation of the qualities consumers already appreciate.
The data confirms consumer experience. Camel wool provides extraordinary warmth while managing moisture effectively.
Beyond its consumer benefits, camel wool offers significant sustainability advantages.
The water efficiency and biodegradability are why it's increasingly valued in the industry.
Documented environmental performance demonstrates camel wool's genuine sustainability advantages, showing clear benefits over cashmere and synthetic alternatives. At night, the factory rests, the equipment silent, the workers gone, awaiting another day of transformation. With each new day, the cycle begins again. Another batch of raw wool entering the process, another set of jackets beginning their journey. The process is continuous and sustainable. New shipments arriving, more jackets entering production, the system operating reliably.
Each new batch receives the same careful attention, a quality evaluation that begins the transformation process anew.
The equipment operates continuously, processing each new batch through the same reliable process. Washing, drying, carding, combing, spinning. The spinning department continues its essential work, transforming prepared fibers into yarn, the basis of all future products.
Every batch is consistent, the result of careful process control, skilled workers, and reliable equipment.
The looms continue their work, weaving yarn into fabric, producing material for the jackets of the future. In the assembly department, new jackets take shape, the process repeating, each garment receiving the same careful attention to quality.
Each jacket receives its final signature, the brand label that connects it to the facility that produced it.
Each completed jacket represents the culmination of the entire process, raw material transformed into luxury product. In the warehouse, completed jackets await shipping, proof of the continuous, reliable production process.
Figlings. From the warehouse, jackets move to shipping, the final stage before customers receive their orders. The worker selects
Trucks depart with the day's shipments, another batch of jackets beginning their journey to customers. The jackets leave the factory to reach their customers. For customers around the world, these jackets provide warmth, style, and satisfaction, proof that the production process achieves its purpose. Each label connects the product to its origin, a reminder of the extraordinary journey from desert fiber to luxury garment. At sunset, the factory remains, a place of continuous transformation, where ordinary materials become extraordinary products. The desert provides the material, the factory provides the transformation, and customers around the world benefit from the result.
And so we see the complete journey, from the heart of the desert to the luxury jacket, now fully understood.
The story continues beyond today. Latin American researchers, a mix of men and women of various ages, are
Camel wool's applications extend beyond fashion. Potential uses in home furnishings, building materials, and sustainable products continue to emerge. Sustainability improvements continue at every stage, from farm to factory. Researchers and producers are working to reduce environmental impact.
With each completed jacket, the process completes its purpose, transforming raw material into product of value and meaning.
In the end, the product serves its purpose, providing warmth, comfort, and style to its owner. The material tells the story, from simple desert fiber to luxurious fabric, transformed through extraordinary.
At Modern Factory Hub, the process continues, each day bringing new material, new product.
With each new batch, the cycle repeats, the same careful process, the same quality standards, the same commitment to excellence.
At Modern Factory Hub, the transformation continues, one fiber, one jacket, one customer at a time.